The best part about making your own crochet wearables is that you customize each piece to fit your body and your style.
Hi there, I'm Charity from Sitn'Crochet and I'm a passionate crochet designer. I love creating everything from stylish crochet clothes to adorable baby items and of course some lovely fluffy playful toys. What I find most exciting about crocheting your own garments is the freedom to choose the fit and look that best suits you. And of course, the sheer joy that comes from making something that's truly your own. So in today's class, you're going to learn how to transform basic crochet stitches into your own unique custom wardrobe piece. We'll cover essential techniques, including the slip stitch, which adds a ribbed knit look to your sweater. And I'll show you how to bring everything together with minimal sewing for a seamless look. This class is perfect for anybody who's always wanted to crochet their own clothes and add a bit of personalization to their wardrobe. By the end of our time together, I hope you walk away with your new, cozy, handmade, tailor-made, perfect to fit you sweater for your winter collection. I'm so excited to start this journey with you, so why don't you grab your crochet hook and your yarn, click on enroll, and let's make this crochet sweater together.